Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to run two WhatsApp accounts on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, as you can see, I have an WhatsApp right here. Just install the WhatsApp first, open, agree and continue, and log into your first account. Then go into the settings, apps, cloned apps, apps that can be cloned we have in WhatsApp. Hit on it and then create. Now it's creating WhatsApp clone. It may take a while. Okay, and now we have the app info, WhatsApp clone. You can delete it right here, forcefully stop it. You have permissions, notifications, storage, just like a normal app. And right here you have a WhatsApp clone. Open it, agree and continue, and right here just log in to your second account. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.